I decided I'd better make my husband a Valentine's Day card since I'm just under the wire here. So I pulled out the Be My Valentine stamp set one more time, and I just made a really cute card with the coordinating designer series paper. Now I'm featuring the paper in this card. It's just a neat way to show both sides of the paper. And so I will have all of the close-up pictures and details on my website. You can go to madeToCreateWithLisa.com and you can check it out. You can see that I'm just punching all the different parts here, and then I'm using the coordinating bee punch there to punch all the parts out, and then I'm going to put him together. And then I'm going to use my, I'm going to make a medallion here for the main focal point of the card. You can see I'm stamping off there on my glass mat. It's a neat way to not have to waste paper. You can just do it directly on the mat and then just wipe off that spot and you're good to go. See how I'm just going to use a little chamois and wipe it off there? It's really cool. So now I'm going to use the paper here, and you can see how I'm just folding a normal card size in half and then just folding down to match the corner there, and then it kind of features both sides of the paper. It's just kind of neat. Now I'm using one of our punches to layer up that focal point, and then we'll just decorate the card and it'll be finished. So I hope you like this card. It's just a fun way to showcase your paper, especially since all of our papers have so many cute prints on both sides. And sometimes it's hard to choose which one you want to use. So I'm going to stamp one more bee here on the middle, and then it'll be finished. I did end up actually stamping a couple more things on the middle before I put on my website, so you can check out the finished card if you hop over there. Thanks so much for following along. I appreciate you. Happy Valentine's Day and sending lots of love.